with an intro to your first project in here, which is working with scale. So you have your sketchbooks, open your sketchbooks up. On the top of your first blank page, write the word scale, okay? Scale project. So the idea behind it is that you're going to look around your room, your bag. You can look around this room, okay? You're going to find something small scale. So I have some objects here, things that would work. Some work better than others. The idea of this is that you're going to take a small object, something that can fit in the size of inside your hand, and you're going to replicate it larger, okay? Up to 10 times the original size. So you're going to find something that's interesting. Does it have interesting shapes? Are there lines that you can recreate? Okay. Will this object look more interesting, larger? Does it change the way that you view it if it's, you know, in a grand scale? Anything, okay? Anything that can fit in your hand, okay? Mostly anything. I'll give you some examples of what works better than others, okay? A small utilitarian object like a staple remover works great, okay? The same idea you can do with a hair clip, all right? Fits in the palm of your hand, that works. The small stapler, okay? There's lots of planes here. There's lots of pieces and parts. There's lots of shapes. The form here, this plastic molded piece, is different from the inner area that actually holds the staples. All right, then there's the bottom plate. Then there's this little tail in the back so it can have a spring action. So this is really kind of a complex little machine. You could recreate it with the material of cardboard, okay? So in your notes, I want you to put the media is cardboard, okay? The media is material. So cardboard, corrugated cardboard. We can work with tubes of cardboard, okay? Cardboard that doesn't have the pressed different layers of cardboard, so thinner cardboard can be used. Okay, I'm going to give you sheets of flat cardboard to start. And most of you will be able to make your whole piece out of that. Okay, this is an object that will not work very well for this project. A student tried it before. Why do you think? It fits in the palm of my hand. It's a utilitarian object, like I said, but why is it not going to be great to use? Any guesses? Yes?
Does it have like lots of parts?
Okay, well it doesn't have lots of parts. It has, look at all the sides, okay? So we have this, and then this is a little stopper, okay, as a clip. Why else? What's the difference between these two? Visually, first thing that you can recognize would be, yes, okay. So I would say this is a little bit too big because it's been tried before, and it was just this gargantuan piece of sculpture. She ran out of time, okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be able to measure, and I'll just tell you right now, if I'm measuring in inches, this is over 3 inches, okay, for the height. This is over 3 inches for the width, and for the depth, it's approximately 1.5. So that's quite large to recreate 10 times the original size. Okay. Let me show you this. This box was created last semester by a student in this class. Okay, it's a 2-part box. Here's the original. Can fit in the palm of my hand. Fabric. Okay, so this has been reconstructed, and the texture in the fabric, she did some problem solving and reproduced the texture by cutting into the first layer of the cardboard, like covering, and peeling through so you can see the second layer, which is the corrugated texture of it. Okay, so not only does that transfer the idea well of the original, but it's really good craftsmanship. The pieces fit together, so she measured it very well, and it looks like the original.